Good morning, everyone. I am currently sitting at my desk working on trying to upload a video we use Premiere Pro, we edit, and then we once it's edited and fixed to where it can go to YouTube, then we upload it to YouTube separate. I know we could do it together, but we don't because of the settings that we use. But I'm waiting for that to happen. I am waiting for laundry to finish in the laundry room, and I'm washing up some robes and towels today. And my goal for today is, number one, I want to clean the laundry room. Number two, I want to get at least some more school work done. I have some goals for that. And then number three, tomorrow's shopping day, so I also need to work on my list today.
Maybe someday I can actually get a camera so I can take pictures of birds like these. And 13.
This is why we sometimes do baking days, because some days we have really long days and want something different and easy for breakfast, and can just pull a banana bread / cake out of the freezer and microwave it with some butter. on lunch, but we had lunch. We had noodles and nuts and veggies because we really wanted more veggies. But it is time. I am going to tackle this room. Priority goal number 1 is to sweep around the outside air vent. It's not like clogged or anything, but like leaves sometimes get blown near there, and the vent's like high off the ground, but like the leaves lower down here. I don't want the vacuum near it while I'm vacuuming out with the hose from the outside, but gonna go clear around that out, then vacuum, and then I will bring you back in when I'm ready to vacuum the ceiling. Take these 3 bags down and wash them in the washer with whatever clothing matches them? Absolutely. Am I going to? No, because it's not worth the effort. These hooks, much taller than me. It's too much effort to try to have to put them back together, and they're going to get dirty clothes put right back in them. The towel one is different because it's plastic on the bottom and it holds liquid in, right? These, they're not going to hold liquid in. So that's why the towel one soaks every now and then to get that gunk out of the bottom. That's not going to happen with the mesh bags. These are not going to be washed, but that one is. I will actually do that back door and the screen door as well, when I'm cleaning back there, but I have like 30 minutes to get out the house for a homeschool moms fellowship that we do once a month in our local area. And I just really want to go to that, and I want to get freshened up a little bit before I go to that. So I'm just going to call it done for now. It's mopped. The towel hamper is soaking. Most of the laundry's caught up and done. There's a load in the, like a normal load in the dryer. The load in the wash you saw me loading was all the kitchen towels and some of the pot holders and stuff. So that's running. That's done. If I fill up to it when I get back, sometimes like I'll get back from stuff where like if I have that rare me time, I'll get back and be like, hey, I got energy, let's do something. So if I have that, I get that sudden burst of energy, I will take care of it when I get back. If not, it's not a big deal. I really just want to be able to take a couple minutes to relax, cool off, and just get freshened up to go hang out with friends. Sorry leaving you guys here because 20 something different women that I don't have permission to film them while I'm there. So I'm not going to do it. So, but I'm going to go take some me time tonight and really just enjoy relaxing for a few hours.